To the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this DIY crochet kit. We're going to be taking this on the airplane, so my kids have something to do in the airplane, so let's see what's inside. Mainly getting this for beginners, which they know how to make a chain, but they don't know how to make a magic ring, so that would be a challenge for them. So let's see if this is easy enough for like children. So I think this is a polyfill. So it comes with a polyfill. Here you got light green yarn, like an apple green yarn. We got DIY handicrafts. So crochet kit for beginners. Let's see what's inside. So there's tips and tricks. There's the abbreviations. Oh, so it's actually, this one is like a mini book on how to do like the stitches. These are actually the basic stitches. It even teaches them how to do the magic ring. There we go. Half double crochet, double crochet. So yeah, this is handy. So that one, and then these are really neatly like folded. This is a light blue yarn. Wounded, I mean. And then we got pattern. Well, there's actually a link to the video. It says here, link to the video to learn. If you find a bit difficult, refer to the product detail page to learn and scan the QR code for the video. So this is the for the frog, and then there's a chicken. They're gonna be making a frog, a chicken. What else? Then there's a little penguin, a little bee, octopus, a bluebird, and a little whale. So there's a lot to, we have a lot of options to pick. And let's see what else here. I'm just gonna dump it all so you can see what's inside. So that's everything inside the little kit. We got more yarns here. There's pink, black, yellow, orange, and a little bit of brown, and then you got a tiny bit of red. There's only one crochet hook, and it has both sides. It is a 2.2 size 2 and size 1, so it's double-sided. And then you got here some markers. Oh, and there's some keychain rings there, and then you got stitch markers, and you got some amigurumi eyes. You can see those black things, which is neat. So yeah, that is the craft for the crochet kit. I wish they included a picture of what the final product is, but maybe I will like include that in the thumbnail photo so you can see what it looks like. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.